Hey, this is my Miracle Icon Moto bike check. Miracle Icon Moto frame 09. Then Shadow Conspiracy bar ends in purple. Then Animal Edwin grips. Shadow Conspiracy linear whip cable. I got DC sticker. Miracle Blend 1 08 forks. Dance comp sticker. I got Maxxis M-tread tire in the front. It's an awesome tire. I really like it. And I got stolen lime green seat, or gangrene or whatever. Yeah. And then a Mackinac seat post. Shadow Conspiracy purple seat clamp. And I got My Other Eye Is Your Daughter sticker. Love that sticker. And then I got a Miracle M3 sprocket. It's bent. I don't like it. And I got a Miracle stock 3-piece. I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in clear. I've had them for like 4 months now. I'm surprised they haven't broken or anything yet. And all the pins are pretty much still there. So I got a tire in my 3-piece to help them so it won't spin so much, you know. Yeah. Thanks to Arsenal Falco. Yay. Okay. I got a chain tensioner in the back, a really old heavy one, and my stock Patriot double wall rear rim. It's gotten bent a few times, but I drew it myself, so it's nice and straight right now. And I got this shitty Walmart tire that I hate. My Shadow Conspiracy half-length lime green chain. And that's about it.